Hi everyone, it's Sam here from the San Diego Craft Collective. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a holiday card. We're going to be using watercolor and paper cutouts. We have a watercolor palette, a glue stick, our card. You'll also get the cutouts for a snowman face. And you'll also get some trees and a deer. And you can create whatever scene you would like, but for today I'm going to show you our winter scene. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a few techniques for watercolor. So to begin, I'm going to take our paintbrush, a little bit of water, and I would suggest before even starting your watercolor that you lay out your scene how you would like it. So for me, this is going to be the front of my card and this is going to be the inside. So for the front of my card, I created this kind of like round face look. So to do that, I took a little bit of water on my paintbrush. I put a lot actually to really dilute the blue and just make it a lot lighter than what it comes up as. So if you only put a little bit of water, it'll come out really bright and really strong. So if you mix a lot of water with that, you can dilute it and make a little bit of a lighter blue. And how I made this rounded face and the rounded edge was I just painted the corners and I kind of raised it towards the sides just to create that round effect. I'm going to be taking a little bit from this just because it's a little too blue for my liking. So you paint the corner and then you kind of round off the edges just to create that effect. I like to go all the way around the sides with the blue, just really watered down just to kind of make a smoother edge. I just like to blend mine out with water just to make it look a little bit cleaner. And I'd recommend before even placing your items on here and gluing them to allow this to dry for a little bit and maybe put a heavy book on top of it just to keep it from rising on the sides. So this will be my outside of my snowman's face. And then on the inside, I'm gonna be doing my tree scene and deer. So how I created this, I really wanted to create an effect of different levels of ground. Really just creating that effect of different levels of ground. Blend that out. As if like the trees were off into the distance more. And there's different ground levels. So this might be like where my first tree sits, and my second one, and my third. And then you can create another line, a little bit taller. Just creating different levels and blending it out. Trying not to get those harsh lines. The more you blend, the better it'll be, the smoother it'll look.